Is it just the lemon juice you scoop out before taking off the peel, white membrane, and seeds? If that's the case, you might be discarding the most valuable aspect of the lemon fruit that remains a mystery to many. For countless generations, lemon has been regarded as a beacon of freshness, utilized in everything from crafting other juices to soothing nasal passages and alleviating inflammation. However, many individuals are unaware that the components frequently discarded, like the lemon peel, the white membrane known as pith, and even tiny seeds, are packed with remarkably potent biological compounds, boasting nutrient levels that can surpass the juice by tenfold. A study released in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2002 revealed that lemon peel and pith are rich in flavonoids like hesperidin and diosmin, recognized for their protective effects on the bloodstream, as well as their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Meanwhile, pith juice primarily offers vitamin C, with fewer plant nutrients available. What occurs when you incorporate the entire lemon fruit rather than solely using the juice? The response is that you are providing your body with a natural remedy that enhances the strength of the bloodstream, improves skin firmness, and offers better protection for the nervous system for over 5 months. Researchers from the University of Granada in Spain previously revealed that hesperidin and diosmin can effectively break down minor bruises in the bloodstream, helping to prevent symptoms like a runny nose, pale purple skin, or overall pallor. These compounds also help to partially inhibit the accumulation of cells in the arteries, providing early protection for the heart and brain. The remarkable aspect is that these substances are absent in the lemon juice itself, existing solely in the peel and the white membrane, which we often discard. The entire lemon fruit significantly impacts skin health and helps regulate blood sugar levels within the body's cells. With advancing age, collagen, a vital protein that contributes to skin firmness and flexibility, as well as the integrity of the bloodstream, starts to decline. The antioxidants found in lemon peels can effectively slow collagen breakdown, aiding in the preservation of skin freshness and delaying the onset of wrinkles. The International Journal of Cosmetic Science notes that lemon peels are rich in tyrosinase, an enzyme that plays a role in activating vitamin C, which is essential for the body's natural collagen accumulation. The entire lemon fruit stands out as a superior option when compared to vitamin supplements that lack the essential enzymes. To truly nurture your skin, blood, eyes, and bones from within, consuming an entire lemon fruit is far more beneficial than merely sipping on lemon juice. Another fascinating fact that many might not be aware of is the beneficial effects of whole lemon peels on the nervous system. When blood sugar levels increase, particularly in individuals with hypoglycemia or diabetes, the membranes of the nervous system become highly susceptible to damage from oxidative stress. This explains why numerous individuals experience numbness in their hands, along with itching or numbness in the tips of their fingers. The potent oxygen found in lemon peels serves to safeguard small cells, support blood circulation, and oxygen delivery to the nervous system, ultimately lowering the chances of nerve damage associated with diabetes or aging. After incorporating a whole lemon fruit into your daily routine, many individuals often experience a vibrant surge of energy, a sense of tranquility, and heightened natural awareness. This isn't just a superficial boost like the one you get from coffee. It's a true revitalization of energy, originating from within the cell itself. Researchers have demonstrated that citrate can be transformed into citrate, a crucial component in the cellular energy production process known as the Krebs program. Citrate serves as a fundamental component, enhancing the efficiency of the body's energy production system. Citrate also plays a crucial role in balancing blood pH, which creates optimal conditions for minerals, like magnesium and potassium, to operate effectively. From that point, it stays alert and prevents prolonged exhaustion. A study conducted by the Institute of Medical Research, Linus Pauling, at the University of Oregon, highlighted that consuming a whole lemon in the morning, on an empty stomach, can significantly enhance the absorption of minerals found in the peel and pit, especially when compared to consuming it after meals. What's the best way to utilize the entire lemon without ending up with a bitter taste? It's recommended to select organic lemons, wash them thoroughly, and chop them into small pieces. Next, blend these with a cup of cold water, adding in some thin fruits, like cranberries or strawberries, along with a few honeycombs to balance out the sour and bitter flavors. Blend into a smooth mixture and consume in the morning. The velvety texture allows for effortless absorption while preserving the essential nutrients found in the peel, pit, and seeds. This isn't merely a drink. It's a natural treasure that offers a range of essential biological compounds designed to safeguard your body, from cells to neurons and from skin to blood vessels. When discussing detoxification and safeguarding internal health, many individuals tend to envision intricate methods, costly food options, or strict dietary practices. However, there exists a kind of fruit readily available in any market or supermarket that can truly aid your liver, kidneys, and digestive system. That is the entire lemon, utilizing everything from the zest to the seeds. Let's begin with the liver, the key organ responsible for detoxification in the body. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2010 reveals that polymethylated flavors found in lemon peels can enhance the function of liver enzymes, particularly glutathione S-transferase, which aids the body in neutralizing and detoxifying toxins more efficiently. The natural bitter taste of lemon peels is another unique characteristic that often intimidates people, yet it offers remarkable benefits. Researchers indicate that the bitter flavor of flavonoids like limonene and norepinephrine found in lemon peels can stimulate honey production in the liver and enhance the movement of the honey bag. Honey aids in fat digestion and is crucial for eliminating excess cholesterol and toxins from the bloodstream. When honey is produced consistently and in the right amounts, it plays a crucial role in preventing the formation and deterioration of honeycombs. This issue is becoming increasingly prevalent among adults, particularly those with high-fat diets and low levels of physical activity. Before we conclude, let's shift our focus to a quieter yet equally significant organ, the kidney. The kidney serves as a vital organ in the body, playing a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, eliminating water-soluble waste, and ensuring dietary balance. However, throughout that process, organisms like ocelots can multiply, leading to kidney failure. What's the connection between lemon and this situation? The response is that it is significantly related. Scientists have found that citrate, a natural substance present in lemons, can inhibit the formation of cancer ocelots, which are the most common organisms responsible for kidney failure. Citrate functions by binding with the cancer ion present in urine, which diminishes ocelot activity and subsequently lowers the risk of cancer. A study conducted at the University of California, San Diego, revealed that daily consumption of citrate-rich lemon juice can decrease the occurrence of kidney failure in patients with this condition, eliminating the necessity for additional medication. Citrate in lemon not only aids in cancer prevention, but also facilitates the excretion of uric acid through the kidneys. This is a crucial aspect for individuals who are at risk or have kidney disease, concerning an enzyme linked to the buildup of uric acid in the blood and blood vessels. A scientific summary from BMJ Open, 2020, highlighted that keeping urine and blood acidity in check can enhance the body's ability to dissolve uric acid, which in turn helps in preventing acute pain. As you might have anticipated, citrate found in lemon juice, beyond just being an acid, plays a role in enhancing natural acidity and supports the kidneys in their function of cleansing the body more efficiently. Additionally, it's crucial to recognize the significant role of citrate. It serves as a cornerstone for overall health. From metabolism and the immune system to mental well-being, citrate found in lemon juice can unexpectedly bolster this essential system. A 2018 study published in Food and Function revealed that the skin and white membrane of citrate are rich in various polyphenols that support the growth of beneficial intestinal bacteria, particularly bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. With balanced intestinal hygiene, you'll experience improved digestion, decreased body inflammation, and enhanced natural immunity. Lemon peel is remarkable for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, featuring compounds like limonene and citrate that have been shown to inhibit the growth of certain harmful bacteria and the fungus Candida. These substances help maintain a clean intestinal environment and support a more robust and stable digestive system. To truly reap the benefits, it's essential to use organic lemon. Avoid those treated with sand or deep-sealed substances, as the peel readily absorbs chemicals. The consumption of non-organic lemon may be detrimental, as the high levels of chemicals can negatively impact intestinal health and liver function. A straightforward method to boost the absorption effect is to incorporate a tiny pinch of natural sea salt into the whole lemon extract. Research from the Journal of Applied Physiology indicates that sodium and minerals found in sea salt enhance the absorption of water and nutrients into cells more efficiently, particularly in a light lemon-based environment. To elevate this recipe, think about incorporating a teaspoon of natural apple cider vinegar. The vinegar has undergone thorough research regarding its potential to aid digestion, maintain stable blood sugar levels, and enhance mineral absorption. Combining lemon and sea salt creates an ideal blend that kickstarts your digestive organs right from the morning. Besides enjoying a drink, you can also zest fresh lemon to enhance salads, sour milk, or grilled fish. This approach effectively enhances flavonoids to combat oxygenation in a delightful and enjoyable manner. Make sure you hold on to those lemon peels after you're done with them. Soak them in apple cider vinegar, and after a few days, you'll have an enzyme and polyphenol-rich spice that benefits your kidneys and elevates the flavor of your dish. We have embarked on an unexpected journey together, witnessing firmer skin, a more stable blood surface, and a thinner, lighter liver. We owe it all to the decision to keep the white membrane and lemon seeds instead of discarding them. But if you believe that's everything, just wait until we delve into blood pressure, brain health, and aging. Then you'll see why the lemon fruit truly deserves the title of a superfood in nature. High blood pressure, often referred to as the silent assassin of sleep, is a leading contributor to both stroke and heart disease. Interestingly, lemon can assist in regulating blood pressure through multiple mechanisms simultaneously. Initially, researchers from the University of Hiroshima in Japan released a study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism in 2014, indicating that daily lemon consumption, paired with walking, can effectively lower blood pressure and alleviate anxiety. Research indicates that flavonoids present in lemon peel, including erythrocytin, hesperidin, and diosmin, enhance the function of the inner blood and promote natural growth processes. Moreover, the calcium content found in the entire lemon fruit, particularly in the white membrane, plays a crucial role in balancing calorie levels in the blood. which in turn thus alleviates pressure on the thyroid, an important aspect of maintaining stable blood pressure. Lemon is beneficial not just for those with high blood pressure. It can also assist individuals dealing with low blood pressure. When your body is low on water or energy, you might experience dizziness upon standing, particularly in the morning. A simple yet effective method, highlighted in the study, involves mixing whole lemon juice with a dash of mineral salt to enhance circulation and boost blood flow to both the brain and other organs. When discussing brain blood, the impact of lemon peel on the nervous system is certainly noteworthy. Numerous recent studies, including a report from Neurochemistry International, have shed light on the significance of plant compounds like limonene and tangerine found in the peel and lemon seeds. These compounds aid in decelerating cell death, bolster the activity of antioxidant enzymes within the body, and alleviate nerve inflammation, which is linked to memory impairment and neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. Incorporating whole lemon peel or lemon extract into your breakfast is an excellent way to safeguard your brain as you prepare for a new day filled with challenges. Moreover, researchers are starting to focus on how the compounds in lemon can influence aging. A summary of Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity 2021 indicates that diosmin and hesperidin possess anti-inflammatory properties and can neutralize gene expression associated with cellular aging. They achieve this by inhibiting oxidizing factors that lead to low-level inflammation, which is a fundamental contributor to various age-related diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. Moreover, whole lemon aids your body in optimizing and absorbing nutrients and electrolytes, which is crucial for effective cell transformation, supporting the immune system, and ensuring the nervous and circulatory systems function smoothly. An additional point to consider is that the subtle tartness of lemon, paired with the acidity of the white layer, can effectively diminish the sensation of food cravings. This supports natural weight management without the necessity of restriction or deprivation. Research published in Appetite Journal indicates that individuals who incorporate flavonoids from orange juice into their daily diet often experience improved weight management and reduced belly fat levels. As a cook, feel free to explore beyond just the flavonoids. Utilize a compact container to encase fresh lemon peel for enhancing fish, salad, or yogurt, or employ the peel infused in vinegar as a unique enzyme-free seasoning. Every small component serves as a means for your body to quietly yet powerfully retain essential nutrients. However, there is one final point that holds significant importance. Select organic lemons or those free from acid and preservatives. Lemon peel serves as a reservoir for surplus chemicals when the fruit is cultivated in less than ideal conditions. It's essential to wash thoroughly with salt and warm water, but selecting clean ingredients from the beginning is the best way to ensure safety for you and your family. Using just a small amount of lemon juice can be transformative. If you're willing to shift your habits and reconsider what you once discarded, you might uncover a wealth of nutrients waiting for you in your kitchen. Let's begin tomorrow morning. A glass of lemon juice may not be extravagant or costly, yet it represents a simple choice that can significantly impact your long-term health. If you find this video helpful, be sure to share it with your family so they too can embrace a more natural and scientific approach to their well-being. If you enjoy this, consider subscribing to Health Elders and feel free to leave a comment below if you've ever used lemon in this manner or have any intriguing experiences you'd like to share. I hope you continue to thrive, embracing joy, health, and vitality at every stage of life.